Pull the safety pin. Stand by for launch. All right. Woo-ha! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Blast.
That worked good.
Yeah, it did. Just try to put it up in the air. Oh! The pain. I don't think that's a quick fix. Oh shit, right. Where did that wing go? Oh, I thought the wing came off.
Took the weight out of it.
Oh, canopy.
Well, if the wing's loose, there's a canopy.
Oh,
What else?
Fuel tank still there? Well, it's not so bad.
You know, actually, Bob,
Yeah.
okay. So being wrinkled up, it ain't too bad.
Well, I know you hate that, but it doesn't bother me.